Lining up over there, guys, is Lingus bus A330 going to Orlando, Florida.
They can take little shortcuts.
Aircraft came into service in May 2009, making the aircraft 15 years old. Registration is Golf-Echo India Delta Yankee.
If you're here for a bit, you'll see the big A380. Now he can't take a shortcut. He goes all the way up, all the way round. So
it's on the runway.
Don't ever land on the far runway, because otherwise they've got no way of coming off. They have to go all the way up the runway. Turn around.
Well, we don't have another long video, but anyway.
They're coming towards. What's what? They can't do it. They'll always use this runway for the landing. Sometimes to take off on it. If they're coming in that way and landing, it's fine. Just keep down there, turn and come in. But if they're trying to come in this way, it's the left hand.
There's a Transat that's just coming, guys, while we're waiting for Lingus to go off. What do you think of delivery, guys? Let us know in the comments. Right, oh, there you go. Right now, Lingus I'm waiting for. And that there looks like Lufthansa going to Düsseldorf. So that's the view of the actual runway at the moment. Crossing the runway, there is nothing. Coming in is nothing. So we're just waiting for Lingus to go up. And by the scenes of it, it's getting ready to go. Enjoy takeoff, guys.
They all come in one way. Yeah, it's an A380 here. About midday-ish, usually comes in, so I've got another hour. Oh, when that comes in, we can't miss it. It's like a beast in the sky. Isn't it as big thing that gets awards yet? Somebody was telling me, somebody took a photograph on the road as it was running along the runway back towards us now. It's over the tunnel. It's nowhere to the light because you can look where the photo's taken. I'm thinking, it's like, it's wings overhanging the road. It's not. You'll see it coming in there and you'll be watching thinking, touch the fence. Is it actually clear in the fence? It's not, but because it's so wide, it's a double decker. It's a double decker aeroplane. It's a beast.